Una good morning all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Wednesday, 24th of January 2024. And the topic today na Wetin be God Temple Part 1. We fit see our memory verse for Isaiah chapter 56 verse 7. E talk say, I go bring una come Zion wey be my holy hill, come give una joy when una enter my house of prayer. And then I go accept the sacrifice wey una go offer for my altar. Dem go call my temple house of prayer for all the nations. Our Bible reading dey Genesis chapter 28 verse 10 to 17. But Jacob comot Beersheba come go Haran. E reach one place where e stay small because evening don dey reach. E take one stone come put am near im head, na for there sleep come catch am. Na so e come dream. For that im dream so, e see one straight road wey from earth go reach heaven, and Baba God angels dey waka up and down for the road. Then Baba God stand for the top. Baba God come say, na me be Baba God, your grandpapa Abraham and your papa Isaac God. This ground where you sleep put so, I go give am to you and your children. Your children go plenty like sand for ground, and they go scatter go west, east, north and south. I go bless all the family for the world with you and your children name. I go dey with you. I go guide you for anywhere where you dey go. God bring you come back to this land. I no go leave you until I don do wetin I don promise. Na so Jacob wake up come talk say, true, God dey this place and I no know. Because e dey fear, e come talk say, which kind wonderful place be this? This no be any other place o, but na Baba God house. This na heaven gate. Now the message. Plenty people never know why they suppose dey go church or any other place where people dey gather worship God. Dem dey always think for their mind say, how we no fit just sit down for house? After all, God dey everywhere. Na the reason wey be say I wan talk to una for some days. Make we take look wetin God's temple really be. God's temple na house of prayer o, according to Isaiah chapter 56 verse 7. Before anybody fit dey talk say that one dey for Old Testament, Jesus himself wey be the author and finisher for our faith, according to Hebrews 12 verse 2, come even confirm am for Matthew chapter 21 verse 12 to 13. Na the person wey dey always answer our prayer, according to Psalm 65 verse 2, na him we dey always go meet for the house wey don dey sanctified as house of prayer o. I know say una fit pray anywhere wey una like and Baba God go hear una, but make I tell una, difference dey if una pray for the house wey be the house of prayer. For those kind place the environment dey always change, and the angels wey dey waka up and down to make sure say people prayer receive answer dey always dey ground. If anywhere don dey anointed as house of prayer, power dey there well. Many years ago, when I bin dey live for one house wey dem don dey call Open Heaven house now, I bin get one shikini room for there wey I dey call my prayer room. Na the room wey I create as the place where I go fit dey pray and to dey meet Baba God. Because of the kind prayers wey I dey always dey pray for there for many hours, na so passage come open for that place reach heaven, just as we take see am for our Bible reading today. Plenty people don pray for some kind situation wey be say dem no see answer, but when they enter that prayer room go pray, dem dey receive their testimony sharp. For example, you don be see people wey be say their body get as e be before they enter that prayer room, but as dem dey come out, Baba God go don touch them and that comma for their body go just disappear. No be the many English wey dem dey speak na im make the difference o, but na because say dem don pray for place wey be say passage to heaven don open for there. If one place don dey anointed as house of prayer and they don dey fire hot prayer for that place for many years, Make una better believe say dat kain place get correct power o. You fit dey pray by yourself everyday as you like, but make I tell una, everytime wey una get the opportunity to go church go pray, abeg make una no miss am o. Our main point today be say Baba God temple na the place wey ogbonge power plenty well well. Make una make sure say una dey go there all the time go pray. I thank una as una lis ten to the open heavens of the goat for pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
And oft escaped the tempter's snare by thy return.